Climate change can be now felt on all continents. Moreover, it is estimated that it will occur more frequently in the coming decades. Due to the progressive climate change on Earth, we must take into account various weather phenomena. This is especially important since its effects may be very harmful to both us and our planet. So, in this video, we will try to discuss the current and future effects of a climate change to acknowledge the whole problem better. First of all, we need to understand that climate change has the potential to transform the entire planet, affecting food and water resources and human health. Although we are all at risk, the impacts of a climate change hit poor and vulnerable communities harder. Moreover, the bigger the problems, the more difficult and expensive it will be to deal with them. So, it is best to act against climate change as soon as possible. And we all need to remember that the scale of future global warming depends on greenhouse gas emissions, whether they will increase further or decrease quickly. And if you would like to learn a bit more about the greenhouse gases, make sure to check my previous video, where I discussed in general what is climate change and what is causing it. So at the moment, the main effect of climate change is the rise in global temperature, which is already more than 1 degree higher compared to pre-industrial temperatures. Those rising temperatures can affect the melting of polar ice, which in turn causes sea levels to rise, resulting in flooding and posing a threat to coastal environments. For example, the Arctic temperature is rising twice as fast as the global average, and due to this, the area of sea ice is falling sharply. The melting of ice and snow, reflecting solar radiation, will increase the amount of energy absorbed by our planet. As a result, it will accelerate global warming even more, and it will also disrupt the weather patterns in many regions of the world. Climate change is also contributing to more frequent and intense extreme weather events, such as storms, heat waves, and forest fires. These conditions vary greatly depending on the region, and in some parts of the world, the changes are being felt more than in the others. Additionally, climate change is a threat to both our health and food security, since global warming, drought, and changing weather patterns will have serious consequences on world food production. Each degree of temperature increase means a reduction in, for example, global wheat yields, rice, or soybeans. Due to this, according to United Nations Environment Programme, global warming of 2 degrees would mean that more than half of the African population would be at risk of malnutrition. Moreover, the World Health Organization warns of the risk to the health of millions of people from more cases of malaria, waterborne diseases, and malnutrition. It will also have an impact on human migration, since the number of climate refugees is projected to increase. Finally, the growing climate changes will lead to the extinction of species, since some of the ecosystems will simply disappear as the climate warms. So, as you can see, the effects of a climate change are already being felt around the world, and you need to remember that there is many more indirect effects of a climate change that I did not cover in this video. For this reason, I would like to invite you to go through the resources that I used to create this video and some further readings that can be found in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like or a comment, and subscribe to my channel not to miss the videos about other global issues. I wish you all a lovely day. See you in the next videos. Bye bye!